Well, so you went off as the first paraglider today.
I was the biggest hero. I was the first paraglider.
Okay, and is it a very safe sport, paragliding? Oh my God! What did you do?
My leg was frozen for watching too many silly hang gliders at the start for 2 hours before I launched, and then I tore a muscle.
Well, if you're unlucky, you'll be watching for another couple of days, you know, all these stupid hang gliders, because you can't fly anymore. You paraglider.
I can't. I launch on one leg.
So hard. How was the Swift task today?
Swift task today was good. They
Okay.
all flew. We flew a task, and we had every single participant, all 5 of them, on go.
Very good. Okay.
And it was a task from, I just heard, 93 kilometers.
Well done. So everything went smoothly?
Everything went smoothly in the, I think, 16 or 17 minutes. I've been busy to tow 3 of them to Cloud Base.
Okay. But I understand that it rained in the morning on the airfield?
Yes. It is very, very wet on the airfield, but I don't know how, but somehow, some way we managed to get them into the air.
All right, well done. Hopefully you get 2 more tasks then.
Yes, that would be very nice.
Okay, thank you.
I'm longing for it.
Today they flew a task of 93.7 kilometres, and most of them were at goal. A couple were very all, but just a couple short of the whole distance.
No, not everyone won.
In first place today we had Manfred Rumer, so he can come up and choose Adidas backpack, gloves, or a hat and red boots. Second place today was Steve Cox. And Steve is going to take the hat. And you can take the Red Bull shots as well if you like. There's a whole packet of them.
I didn't know this.
And in third place today we had Brian Porter. I think I needed them on the... No, the gloves. I needed them on launch today. Let's have a look at the weather.
Yo, you see the same situation we know the last days? Same procedure. We have high pressure in the Eastern Europe, in the Western Europe, and low pressure system in the Eastern.
Okay. All right, so that's just like I said. We hope for tomorrow and Saturday. Are there any questions about yesterday? Waited until there was some indication that it would be possible for a task, which was when the Swifts said they were setting a task. We still couldn't see down into the valley. We went and made a task for the women. The Rigids Task Committee didn't even want to think about setting a task until they could see the valley floor. I asked them a couple of times and they were adamant, no, I'm not going to set a task until we can see the valley floor. So concentrated on the women's task. And then when the Swifts said that they were going, I thought, okay, we write the task up, we do the briefing, this is what's going to happen if we can launch everybody safely. Still, the launch was in cloud. Talking with the safety committees, we hear that there's a storm warning on the lakes further away, and Dieter said that's not a problem for here. I asked some locals here on launch, and one was a pilot, They said usually if there's that storm warning, the flying schools here say no flying. Right, I put this in my mind. It's still snowing. I say to Martin on launch, don't let anybody launch. We're at 1:30 when it was meant to open because it was still in cloud. Then I have pilots coming to me saying, please don't make us fly in conditions that are not going to be safe. The cloud base, because they're thinking, okay, it's 1:30, the launch is going to open any minute and she's going to shove us out into low cloud base with all the pilots flying around. We looked at the rain radar. It was on the edge of what we could see. Volker said that the occluded front was coming in faster than we expected. I'll put this in my mind. And I said, is it better? It's worse than what you expected? And he said yes. Right, so there's another point in my mind. Then, okay. Then we have the safety committees get together with the safety director and discuss what's happening. They think that the weather is too unpredictable, given what's happened in the last days, to safely fly a task. Maybe for free flying, but too unpredictable to safely fly a task. We also had a report that it was a strong wind on the ground down here at the landing field. And then after that, I also checked with the Richard pilot. I couldn't find Carlos, which was a pity, because he probably would have delayed cancelling, or have suggested that. Given all the information that we had, the safety committees were saying that it was not predictable enough to send the pilots out into it. The cloud base was still below launch. It didn't seem that things were improving, and we cancelled the day.
There is some sugar in it, and our yeast needs the sugar to produce alcohol and Kohlensäure.
CO2, carbon, CO2, carbon.
CO2.
So what was in here?
Beer byproducts, Ausschuss.
Was that okay for you?
Yeah,
Did you enjoy that?
that's really cool.
It's my paradise. I take a beer shower with an open mouth.
My Spanish friends.
Zeker. Dus wat is het? Dat is maar voor filmpjes. Nur die ganzen Zulassung.
Build it up. Restaurieren und increase it.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Of course.
Sometimes I fly with it, so he's retired.